got a strap to tennis, slime with your hoe. I ain't popping out at party, gotta boot me for a show. He say yappy, living fast, nah. He say yappy, living fast, nah.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Aaliyah, aka Fashion Fletcher, and you just saw the room tour. We are in Tampa, Florida today. I love this hotel room. Oh my goodness, it's so airy, so light, just so me. I love it. I really do like it. I am just about to get settled in and grab something to eat because your girl is hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. We have a wedding to attend, so I'm really excited and we're gonna get ready for this wedding together. So stay tuned. So I'm actually gonna be one of those girls who unpacks everything that's in her suitcase. So yeah. And this suitcase, this was not even a suit. Oh yeah, it's a suitcase. It's a duffel bag I got from, it's from Kipling. I didn't really put everything away. I just put some shoes, my bags, and the dress I'm wearing tonight, and like a sweater. That's it. But look how cute this is. The mirror, how cute. It's on both sides. It's on this side, and it's on this side too. Super cute. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. I'm gonna go check out the pool. Yeah, I'll probably vlog down there. So they told me that I cannot film with my camera, which is crazy. I still want to try to do it anyway. But yeah, the weather sucks right now. It's pretty cloudy, but I'm still trying to catch some sun. A little bit of some sun. I'm just gonna journal, chill, probably go in the pool, take some pictures, and I need to eat something, so I'm waiting for the lunch menu right now. Yeah, and it's windy. It's supposed to rain probably like in an hour or two, but hopefully it holds up. Windy. So this is the menu. Damn, why do I like low-key feel rain? So I got a mocktail. This is like their peach juice. And then I got this kebab. It's chicken with hummus and fries. Yummy. Cheers. So I'm back in the room. I'm pretty bummed that I can't even record outside on the grounds with this camera, but they made up for it by sending this lovely treat. I'm sure they give it to all the guests. I don't know, but either way, I love it. It's cute. I love little touches like this. I can't wait to eat it after I eat lunch. I don't know if you can tell, but it is raining so badly now. So I didn't even get to really enjoy the pool. Hoping it stops a little bit, but if anything, I'm gonna try to wake up early and catch the pool. Really nice. I think I'm just gonna watch some TVs, just relax a little bit, you know? Check in with you guys later when we're getting ready for the wedding.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. Yeah, she making ass shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow.
The whole place, I feel like the smoke detectors are gonna go off because this thing is like smoking. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, so we just did. Ooh, and it's making the room hot. Let me turn the AC down. Just finished with makeup. I was filming a little bit, some TikToks and stuff. I was trying to film some short form content. It is 5:56. I need to get going, but let me show you guys the dress that I'm wearing while this baby heats up. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. This is an area dress. Oh, isn't she lovely? It's the only thing I have hanging in here, guys. Everything else is in the luggage. So yeah, this is from Aria. I love this dress. Is so fantabulous. Don't know if the hanger is doing much, appeal for it or doing it justice, but we're gonna put her on right now so you can see. Okay, so I just was taking some cute little Polaroids. And anyway, I ended up putting my hair in this bun. What do we think? Is it cute? Is it cute? I think it's very elegante. And then, you know, as the night goes on, I can take it down, let my hair down. I don't have my shoes on yet. I am rushing. That's why I'm out of breath. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. I be rushing, all right? Rushing is not good. Anyway, scent of the night is the MFK Satin Oud. Satin Mood Oud. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna spray this all over. I think I sprayed it earlier out the shower. I don't even know, but this sprays down on, honey. Yes. Let's put our shoes on and we gotta go. Okay, here we go. This is what I'm wearing. This is this area dress. I decided to accessorize with black because silver just wasn't looking too cute, like metallic. It wasn't, my feet are ashy. It wasn't looking too hot. So I just have these little cute silver earrings on. My Chanel bag, I just morphed it into a clutch. I have on this silver bangle, this necklace. It's like a, you know, tennis necklace. Then I have on these black 2-strap mules from Zara. These are Old Faithful, baby. Old Faithful. I want to be comfortable, you know, sticking up. I want to be comfortable. I think this looks really good. I honestly wish I had some body glitter or something because I think that would really look good. But what do we think, you guys? I think this is just really cute wedding attire. I had such an issue. I had like a time trying to find a dress, but then when I came across this one, I just knew it was it. I just knew it was the one. Let me drink some water and get up out of here. Good thing the rain stopped. So let's go to this wedding, you guys. Congrats to my girl. And she's off. They grow up so fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.